Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay Netflix from Fampay. First things first, if you're going to be using the Netflix application via your mobile phone or maybe your laptop or PC, both gadgets or both units, the process is going to be the same. So just head straight to Netflix.com's official site, and then in here, just simply hit on Logged In and hit on Don't Have an Account. Now enter your email address and hit on Get Started. Now, once you will have input your working email address, here just simply access it, and by there you just simply choose and locate that link in which you will be taken out to the setup page from Netflix. And put your general information such as your name, age, and so on and so forth. And then once you're on the subscription area, choose on whether it's going to be for one subscription or for two specific devices that you can use subscription. And then just change the payment method into your Fampay account. And that is how you pay for Netflix from Fampay. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.